Do you find yourself too disconnected from your partner, or does it seem like you are too tired or stressed out or too busy with your daily routine? Somehow, the grocery shopping gets your attention, your kids get your attention, your boss, your mother-in-law, even the lawn seems to manage to get a piece of you. But your sex life? Nope. You're too busy with your everyday stuffs that you're not getting enough time to spend with your spouse, and as a result, you aren't falling into a comfortable routine with them. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Following these amazing tips will add a little zest to your love life, and it's gonna change the whole game. But first, if you're new here, consider subscribing to this channel to get more content related to dating and relationship advice. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time we publish a new video. Here are 7 ways to spice up your marriage. Number 1. Go deep while expressing your love. Saying I love you likely happens every day in very predictable situations. Before you leave your house in the morning, before you turn out the light at night, and as a standard sign-off in your texts and calls. It shows very strong feelings that two people can have for each other. I love you has become a phrase that is uttered with no need to think twice. But you should think again, because it is the automatic call and response routine in long-term relationships. It often loses a little of the impact that it had when you and yours first uttered these words, right? Get creative and think of phrases like, I'm so lucky that I have you, or you still mean so much to me, you know that? Or any other special little phrase that you can sprinkle in instead of simply saying, I love you. Going beyond that can make sure that they are really and truly hearing the heat behind the love you are throwing their way. This is really a strong technique that will add a spark in your married life. Number 2. Feel good about yourself. It's hard to feel attractive around others when you don't feel comfortable in your own skin. So it's important that you take care of yourself first. Eating a healthy diet and exercising regularly will not only keep you looking great, but you will also feel great. When you feel good about yourself, your confidence will shine and your partner will notice. Number 3. Compliment your partner. Who doesn't love getting a compliment? Think of all the good traits your partner has and make an effort to compliment them at least once a day. Compliments are essential if you want things to work out long term. When you compliment your partner on more than just one aspect of themselves, it shows that you really appreciate who they are as a whole. It will make them think about the things they like about you too. Number 4. Travel together. Traveling together as a couple is a great way to strengthen relationship. But did you know that couples who travel together have better sex life too? Well, there are a few reasons for this. When you go out in the world somewhere new together, you are in tune with your partner, as you two are going out in full-on partner mode, ready to take on the world as a beautiful pair that you are. You both are sharing new and fun experiences. You are not getting distracted by the pool of everyday responsibilities, and you are developing confidence as you travel the world together. Number 5. Mix it up in the bedroom. While you are learning each other's every little like and dislike and creating a perfect routine to express your love physically, sometimes you've got to bust out some new moves. Well, it's entirely up to you and your partner's comfort level, but keep in mind that the best way to get out of a rut is to step out of your comfort zone a bit. Ask your partner to join you for a night of adult shopping from the comfort of your house, and surf a few fun adult sites for goodies like lingerie, adult toys, and accessories. Have fun with this. You can also light up your bed by adding some twinkle lights and votive candles for the perfect mood lighting. There are many ways to build intimacy in your relationship, and mixing it up in the bedroom builds intimacy and passion. Number 6. Go slow. Slow your breath down when you are making love. Well, it doesn't sound like much, but it has a big impact. Slowing down also helps partners concentrate on touch and movement, which means you will experience a more intense connection. You can also practice tantric sex, which is a slow, meditative form of sex where the end goal is not orgasm, but enjoying the sexual journey and sensations of the body. Number 7. Celebrate life's little things. Sit and relax together on the couch and take your excitement to a new level as you cheer to life's little things. Absolutely keep up with the big milestones like new jobs, business success, birthdays, houses, and cars. But don't forget to applaud together for every little victory. For example, you have finished a DIY project, wrote an article about your favorite topic, or bought a gorgeous sweatshirt at a reduced price. Now I have a pro tip for you, which is often ignored but is really important to have a better married life. Always put your partner first. Sometimes relationship flaws are the result of unintentional selfishness. Well, it's pretty obvious. We all live in a busy world. So it's not a big deal to make the conscious effort to deliberately put your husband or wife before your own needs. Try it for a week and see how it improves your marriage. Then try it a little longer. So guys, now we have come to the end of this video. Hope you have liked it. If you did, then do give thumbs up and share it with your close ones. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to this amazing channel to get more regular content like this.